Greetings, some boys, girls, and of course gifted animals. We have our Target Fun Faces on tonight, and we are reviewing a new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It is the Snowdrift Blizzard. I actually don't think it's like that new. However, it has like blue cake batter, which I'm sure is the cake batter, and then food coloring. As well as like a marshmallow swirl and the Oreo pieces. So all good things, I think, but we'll see if the blue cake batter is any good. Here's your humble uncle here. I'm gonna ask my crack scientist how much does this cost. How much does it cost?
Regular medium prices. I think it was like $4 something. $4.85.
Okay.
Feels right.
Our scientists are reporting back that it's regular medium prices, which is about $4.80 something. I mean, the Oreo is the Oreo. The marshmallow comes through a little bit. The cake batter also comes through, but it's different than what I would be accustomed to in their other cake type creations. It's almost lighter.
Really?
Quiet on the set, please. Well, it's not blended well. I mean, you could see. I mean, it's pretty good. I love an Oreo Blizzard. Tried and true. It's really not that complicated, but it works, right? See, that just tastes like an Oreo Blizzard. I think it just wasn't blended well. Honestly. The food coloring throws it off because you may get the color, but you may not get the flavor. That one I got more cake and Oreo. This Oreo, yeah, this is blended poorly. The number one complaint about Dairy Queen across the nation has been and shall continue to be, you don't blend your Blizzards consistently enough. This holds true here. I think I got maybe 1 or 2 bites where I got a cakey, marshmallowy, Oreo-y type of flavor, which was good. I mean, but it's just so inconsistent. I mean, like right off the top, you could see like a little still white here, white just soft serve by itself. And, you know, I think, like I mentioned, the blue throws it off because the color may easily permeate between the different layers, but not the flavor. See, that one had more marshmallow. I like, legit, I really only got like 2 bites, 3 bites maybe of all of it combined. So, can't really judge it. So on that note, I'm going to give it a really unrespectable 4.22893. Not really that too unrespectable. It's good, right? Like, I mean, it's fine. Nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't really capture the flavor I think they're trying to go to. It's okay. You know, Dairy Queen during this time of year, yeah, hit miss. You know, during summertime, I feel like this will be all right. Because you got like a gaggle of children from your local high school that are just working there and goofing off, but they will make a Blizzard. They will make a Blizzard. So on that note, Carlita, do you want to try it?
I'm under the weather, and this.
She's under the weather.
But I'm back next week.
We've all been under the weather, so that's kind of why we're a little bit delayed this week, but God bless. Hope to see you again. As always, you take care. Stay tuned. Until next time.